Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge chocolate cake. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare two 9-inch pans with parchment and grease. Melt chocolate and butter gently, then whisk in sugar and eggs until glossy. Fold and dry ingredients without overmixing to keep crumb tender. Bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs, then cool fully before frosting with ganache or buttercream for the ultimate fudgy finish. Start with great ingredients and simple technique for a standout cake. I recommend real dark chocolate, unsalted butter, and sifted flour for a smooth batter. Use cocoa and a splash of espresso for brightness without bitterness. Keep sugar balanced to preserve fudginess and include a neutral oil or extra butter for moistness. Chill briefly before frosting to avoid melting ganache and to achieve clean, glossy layers. Small technique changes make a big fudge difference in texture and flavor. Melt chocolate slowly to prevent seizing and stir until silky before adding to batter. Beat eggs and sugar until slightly thickened, then combine with melted chocolate while warm. Avoid overbaking by watching internal texture and rest cakes before frosting to set layers. Use a hot knife for neat slices and serve at room temperature for best fudgy mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.